Detect, delete, and deport. This is exactly what West Bengal's CM has said for illegal immigrants of Bangladesh. And in today's topic, we're going to talk about it. So come read with me. So, a political fight has broken out in West Bengal, but this time it's about border security, illegal immigration, and who should handle the infiltrators. Now, what exactly is happening? The news connects West Bengal CM Mr. Subhendu Adhikari's remark with the issue of illegal infiltration from Bangladesh. The debate is about how people who illegally cross the India-Bangladesh border should be identified and deported back. One side argues that suspected infiltrators should be directly handed over to the border forces for deportation. The other side says state police must be involved because law and order is a state subject. So the real question becomes, who has more control, the state government or the central government? Now the background is why this is a sensitive issue, because West Bengal shares a long border with Bangladesh. For decades, India has discussed concerns like illegal migration, border security, human trafficking, smuggling, refugee and citizenship issues. Because of this, border management in eastern India is not just a local issue, it affects national security, demography, politics and even diplomacy. So let us understand the players first. See, the players are BSF, a border security force, the central force responsible for guarding India's borders. Then we have state police maintaining law and order inside the state. The central versus the state government. The issue often creates a center state friction over powers and coordination. Now there are multiple dimensions of this topic. This becomes highly relevant for security dimension. Illegal infiltration can raise concerns related to national security, smuggling networks, fake identity documents, human trafficking. Then there is the federalism dimension. India's constitution divides powers between the state and the center. The issue highlights tension between national security powers of the center, law and order role of the state. Then there is a humanitarian angle also, where not everyone crossing border fits the same category. There can be refugees fleeing hardship, economic migrants and victims of trafficking. This makes deportation and identification legally and ethically complex. Lastly, there is international relations dimension. India-Bangladesh cooperation matters for border management, migration control, security cooperation, bilateral diplomacy. This becomes highly important for GS paper 2, central and state relations, federalism. GS paper 3, internal security, border management, role of security forces. Essay for this becomes highly important, and for interview also this becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.